I'm just finished beating the game of The Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess. and I think I'm really in the game, man. I found the master door! Ah, ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ooh, ee, ah, ooh, ah, ee, ah, ooh, ee. Ah. I am some young lady, but I am the master sword! Whoa! I'm turning crazy! I'm turning crazy! I'm okay. I'm gonna sing piano because I'm not happy. Oh.
Hey, look! Weird Alex is playing piano. He's so stupid.
No! I'm just playing Metroid to Echoes.
That sucks, you idiot!
No! Oh my gosh, that was just stupid. That was just a stupid guy saying me. I don't play the piano.
My name is... forget it.
Wait, just get out of my house! Forget it! And now, I don't like anymore The Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess. Now, I like Metroid Prime, the best game ever on the GameCube. Bye!